Oh, hello again. At the last video, I said that I was giving you all of the information that you needed to complete the civil site plan. However, I only gave you the drawing parameters to make sure that all of our parameters were on the same page. So I didn't give you all of the instructions. So I'm going to be continuing with with these videos to kind of give you more instructions. Okay. So let me share my screen with you. Okay, we're going to look at the sample drawing. All right. So again, you should have all this. This is what your final drawing is going to look like. Okay. Now, I want you to actually read all of these general notes because the general notes will give you some added information that you will need to actually draw the legal description. I'm sure some of you, this is just a review, some of you have already realized that you have to read these general notes. Now, the general notes, okay, and this is what I'm calling the main title and the north arrow and this graphic scale here, they're all going to be in paper space. And I'm about to show you how you're going to actually add this title block to paper space. The size of this drawing is an architectural D size, which is 24 by 36. Okay, so I'm about to show you how you're going to add this title block to a new layout that we're going to create, having a size of 24 by 36. Okay, you can access the 24 by 36 title block through Google Drive. Okay. So if you go to the portal, okay, and you go to resources, then you go to Google Drive. You know, I previously shared these blocks with you, right? So you should all have access to this folder right here. Okay, so I'm just going to open that up, and right here is the title block 24 by 36 that you'll be able to download into your paper space after we resize it. Okay, so you can click on it like you did before, and then you can download it. Okay, so that means so that you can retrieve it from your download. Okay, I won't do it. All right. So let's go back to AutoCAD architecture. Now, we're going to go to layout number 2, paper space. This is layout number 1. We're going to go to layout number 2. Okay. We're going to left click on it, and then we're going to right click. Then we're going to go to Page Setup Manager. Okay. Then we're going to go to Modify. Okay. We're not, if we were printing it, we would establish a printer here, but we're not printing it. So we're going to leave the printer plotter name as none. Okay. Then we have to change our paper size. And we're going to use Arch D right here. Arch D, 24 by 36. You can see that. Arch D, 24 by 36. There it is there. Okay, good. Everything else should be fine. We're going to go back a little bit later and give this, show you how to load a color-dependent plot style that we're going to use. But right now, we're going to leave it as none, okay, for our plot style. Okay, so let's OK out of this. All right, so now you see our layout number 2, we can close out of this, has been modified to a 24 by 36 inch layout. Okay, and I'm just going to move my my viewport to here. Okay, and I'm just going to, well, I'll leave it there. Okay, good. All right. So now we want to use the insert tool to actually insert the title block into Paperspace now. All right, so we're going to come up over here to insert right here. But actually, here's what we're going to do. We won't do it that way. At the command line, we're going to type in classic insert right here. Classic insert. Good. That brings up this dialog box. So now I can browse to my downloads because that's where I've downloaded the 24 by 36 Titleblock from Google Drive. Okay. So this is my downloads, and here's the title block right here. There we go. So I'm going to choose that, left click on that, then I'm going to open it up like this. Good. So now I'm choosing the title block. I've set it up so that you don't have to do anything but that. So now let's see what happens if when we OK out of this. Okay. Good. That inserted that title block right where we needed it. Okay, so now we have the title block in Paperspace. And you see that it's because it came in as a block, so it's one entity. So when we go to manipulate it, we're going to have to explode it. Okay. All right, so we'll stop there, and I'll just share that portion with you, and then I'll share some other portions in another video.